When I was a kid, my parents gifted me some gold from northern Minnesota. Well, not really gold. It's actually called pyrite or fool's gold. On my shelf, it was just a cool, shiny rock. But in the mining industry, it's a whole different story. There are valuable metals, copper, nickel, and cobalt, bonded inside. When miners want the metals, they have to dig up and crush the entire sulfide-bearing rock to separate the tiny percentage of valuable metal from the massive amount of sulfur-rich waste. Once the rock is crushed into a fine powder to extract the metals, the surface area of the pyrite is increased 1,000,000-fold. Chemically, when pyrite comes into contact with oxygen and water, it will undergo a spontaneous reaction and produce sulfuric acid, or battery acid. And as the water becomes more acidic, it actually speeds up the breakdown of more pyrite, creating a feedback loop of pollution. It's not just the acid. This change in pH unlocks toxic heavy metals like mercury and arsenic that are normally trapped in the rock, allowing them to flow freely into the rivers. But which rivers? Because where these mines are proposed, the answer is all of them. In an April 2026 vote, the U.S. Senate used the Congressional Review Act to overturn that 20-year ban. This effectively fast-tracks projects like Twin Metals, placing an industrial acid factory directly upstream of America's most visited wilderness. This 20-year ban acted as a shield, protecting these headwaters from this exact chemical chain reaction. This protection ensured that the Triple Divide stayed pristine and acid-free. This Triple Divide is near Hibbing, and from this one spot, a single mistake could flow in one of three directions. To the north, it poisons the Rainy River and the heart of the Boundary Waters. To the east, it threatens the Great Lakes. And because the bedrock is fractured, toxins can seep into the deep groundwater, crossing the divide to reach the Mississippi River basin. We're talking about one of the last truly wild places on Earth. A labyrinth of 1,100 lakes where the water is so pure you can practically drink it straight from your canoe. It's a place of ancient cedar trees, haunting loon calls, and silence you can actually hear. This land isn't just a resource to be mined, it's a continental treasure. Once that Triple Divide is poisoned, all the copper in the world won't be able to buy it back.